How does it work? To get started, simply download the app from your Apple or Android smart device. Sign up and register yourself and your PIC, property identification code, to be able to start creating consignments. To create a consignment, choose from the list of available species. Complete Part A. Select your consignor PIC and your details will be pre-populated. Insert the consignee PIC details and AXIchain will validate with MLA that the details are correct. Add your stock descriptions details. Upload any necessary attachments, health declarations, or accreditations. Complete the history, food safety, chemicals, and treatments questions. On signing and ticking the box on your mNVD, you declare that all your LPA requirements have been met. Complete Part B, transporter details. Producers then simply decide to transport the stock themselves or assign a transporter digitally through our AXIchain mNVD. The transporter doesn't have to be registered with AXIchain for the mNVD. They will simply get a personal link to the movement details by email or SMS to confirm the job. On the day of pickup, the transporter simply puts their signature in the designated area and the journey commences. Given transporters may not be in network coverage during pickup or drop-off, the AXIchain mNVD system still stores the data on their smart devices until the transporter is in network coverage. Our smart offline QR code stores locally all the necessary details of the movement that can be presented to authorities during the journey. Live track your livestock without any paperwork. Offline and online. Create and manage consignments in remote locations with no network coverage. Smart offline QR code consignment for animal movement approved by authorities. Digital traceability, data consistency, and control with push-button auditing. AXIchain's mNVD. Create 100% compliant consignments on your mobile with a few clicks of the buttons. Register now, and your first mNVD is free to trial. Download mNVD in Google Play or Apple Store. For further information, drop an email to support@axichain.io or go to our website www.axichain.io.